3 keys to success to pass your driving test. That's what's up. It's your boy Azhar, the driving instructor, back here on a YouTube video just to give you guys some tips to pass the driving test. I'm actually at the Mount Joy Drive Test Center today. My student's gone for the driving test. I wish her good luck. When she comes back, I will let you know if she failed or passed. If she passed, well, she's gonna pass for sure. When she passes, she's gonna tell you how the driving test was, how easy it was, how soft things it was. But if she does fail, which I hope she doesn't, which I know she's not gonna fail, but she's gonna basically tell you guys why she failed. Again, she's not failing, but she'll tell you guys why she failed, and so you guys don't make that same mistake as her as well too. All right, anyways, 3 keys to success to pass the driving test. That's what's ladies and gentlemen, the first key to success to pass the driving test is being confident. You have to be confident when you're behind that wheel. If you're not going to be confident, how is the examiner going to be confident testing you? Put yourself in the passenger seat. Pretend there's someone else driving in that passenger seat. It's a friend of yours. Let's just say you even know that person. It's a friend of yours, and they're not confident in making their decision making. They're making their left turns, they're hesitating. They're making their right turns, they're hesitating. They're hesitating all the time because they're not confident. How is that going to make you feel as a passenger? You're not going to like it, right? So as an examiner, it's the same thing. They're human beings as well too. They want to pass you. They really do want to pass you. But the issue is, are you capable of passing, right? So make sure you are confident behind the wheel. The second key to success to pass the driving test. Exaggeration. That's what's up. Listen, put yourself in the passenger seat. Put someone else in the driver's seat. You want to see them scanning their intersections properly. If they do this, watch this. Watch this, hold on. So if they do this, you don't really see me, right? But when I go like this, you see me actually looking both ways. When I'm checking my blind spot, like right now, what am I looking at according to you? According to you, I'm looking at you, right? But I'm actually checking my blind spot. But look at the difference now. What am I looking at right now? I'm actually checking my blind spot. This is what I mean by exaggeration. So make sure you're moving your body and showing the examiner that what are you exactly doing? Are you scanning your intersection? Are you checking your blind spot? You know, so move your body, exaggerate your stuff, and you are going to be successful. The examiners love it. They love it. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, patience. You have to make sure you're staying calm. It's not the end of the world. This driving test is soft things. That's what's up. Staying calm. Make your decisions calmly. Stay confident. If you're staying calm, you're gonna be able to think over everything that you're doing. You're not gonna skip through steps. You're gonna come to full stops at a stop sign, at a red light. When you're making a lane change, the examiner asks you to do a lane change. You put your signal on, you check your mirrors, check your blind spot. There's space, go ahead. There's no space, don't go. Only go whenever it's safe. Examiners don't want you to make an unsafe decision. They want you to always make safe decisions. So go whenever it's safe to do so. Let's highlight the 3 keys to success. What was the first one that I told you? Confidence. Second one was exaggeration. Third one is patience. Take your time, ladies and gentlemen. The driving test is about 10 to 15 minutes long. In my next video, I'll explain how the driving test process works. How long is it? What are they going to test you on? I'll go through the marking sheet as well too, just to make you guys more comfortable when you're going and make you more prepared for that easy and soft driving test. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to hit that bell icon, to hit that like button, and keep on supporting your boy Azhar, the driving instructor. I hope everyone is staying safe. Take care, drive safe. If you have any questions, you want me to answer them, comment below and I'll answer them with a video, and I'll put it on YouTube as well too. All right, take care. Adios. Oh, by the way, not adios yet. Let me see, when my student comes back, I'll tell you if she passed or failed. She'll give you some advice and then I'll be like, adios. Before I say adios, she is back. And did you pass or fail?
I passed.
Well, obviously, told you guys. So how was it? Advice?
It was good. Take your time. Make sure you breathe. Wear sunglasses because the light is really bright here. Yep, I didn't pay attention to that. You guys will be fine. It's a very easy route here. So good luck.
3 keys to success: confidence, exaggeration, and patience. That's what's up, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in my next video regarding the driving test. Adios and have a good day. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Bye.